friends, welcome to Coding Host YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you Unix program from TCS IR exam. In this video, I will explain you two programs for a single input. So the first question is print employee name whose salary is more than 50,000. So in the question, you can see that some sample input that we have employee ID, name, designation and salary. So we have records of for employee. So in the program we do not have to write any code for taking this input. It will be taken automatically. We only need to write the command for printing the employee name whose salary is more than 50,000. So let's write the program. So this program will start from awk command. Then we have to use single quotes. Now in this single quotes we have to write the begin command. So begin, and after that we have to use braces. Now in this braces we have to tell the field separator. So you can see that between these two inputs we have comma, which is used to separate them from different column. Like between the employee ID and name we are using comma, and then name and designation we are using comma again. So this comma is the field separator. Using the double quotes between them we have to write this comma as field separator. Now after that we have to use braces again. Now between these braces I will use a if statement, and in this if statement we will check the salary of each employee. So salary is written in the fourth column. I will use here $4 is larger than 50,000. So if this condition is true we have to print the employee name, which is written in the second column. So I will write here print $2. So this program is ready. I am entering here the input first, and let's run the program. So you can see that in the output we are getting Sam, Eric and Tom. These employees have salary more than 50,000. So this program is working fine. Now we have to write the program for second scenario. Here you can see that we have to print the employee ID whose salary is more than 50,000, and we have to print them in the ascending order. So instead of printing here the second column, I will write here $1 because employee ID is written in the first column, and after that I will use the sort command. So after this single quotes I will use this symbol, and then I will write sort, and let's run this program. So in the output we are getting 991, 992 and 994 whose salary is more than 50,000, and they are printed in the ascending order. So whenever you are writing the program, between this awk statement and this single quotes provide space, else you will get error. Thanks for watching.